Welcome. Today I'm showing you how to activate Hey Google option into OPPO Find X5 Pro. Firstly, open your Google application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose settings. Here go into voice option and now choose voice match. And now tap here on the switcher to activate your Hey Google. Now need give access to your assistant, tap next, and I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use. Press continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.